With AI, you can turn yourself into any character you want without dealing with expensive budgets or crazy complex softwares. You can simply now upload a clip of yourself that you film in literally under a minute, and then go ahead and upload a photo, and it's going to combine the two to make something like this. Welcome to MakeUGC. This is how we're actually making these AI avatar videos. And this is all thanks to MakeUGC's new tool called Animate. So in this video, I'm going to run you through how to make this and do multiple different versions, how we do it from beginning to end process essentially. So let's get straight into it. So as we can see here, we are on the MakeUGC dashboard, and what you're going to need to do is just select the Animate tab here. So you have all these different features. Just go ahead, select this one, and then you're going to see where you need to upload your video. Now, what I did just before this, you can see over here, this is a little video that I just filmed. Welcome to MakeUGC. This is how we're actually making these AI avatar videos, where I'm literally changing in real time. I can switch from being, again, someone like Santa to a famous, just a random little script. It's also got, you know, hand gestures, all these kind of things. So, and what you'll get from this is that in the video, it's basically going to take your voice or take what you're saying, transcribe it, and then apply it to a new voice, and then also overlay the actual image so that you become whatever avatar that you basically put into the system. So let's get into it. Press onto the performer plate. What you can do, press onto here, and then it's gonna say upload, and you'll have a couple different versions over here. As you can see, anything up to 500 megabytes. Then select the image, the video. Select the video, then press save, and then it's just gonna take a second to collect that data essentially. And then what you go ahead and do is go over to any kind of image creation software. In my case, I've just gone ahead and done this for ChatGPT. Over on the right side, you can see make portrait of Santa as a cartoon style in the same position as this photo. So it essentially just took this photo, replicated it as Santa as a, cartoon essentially. And then I did the same with the singer. This wasn't really what I was looking for, but any AI image is going to do for now. I then said a woman singer in a concert, so you can see, you can change myself into that. And I said a gorilla as well, just why not? And also having a shark, just to test the limits of how far we can actually push this, of course. And so super simple prompts, nothing too specific, but in order to help describe the scenario, I would always upload just a little picture so it can kind of understand what it's going for, because finding these kind of images online is going to be a bit too difficult. So with that being said, what we go ahead and do is just upload one of those images, and we'll start with the Santa image just like that. So go ahead and press save, and there you go. As surprising as it is, it's literally that simple. You don't need to worry with anything else. You just go ahead and press create video, and just like that, it's underway to create the actual video. Now keep in mind, as I said, you don't need to worry about the scripts. You've done that already via creating the video. And the amazing part about this is that you can really take this from competitors, literally straight from the ad that they've created, and replace the product and the avatar that's there as well with this new one. So you could be holding a product in your hand, or they might be holding a product and they might be saying something about this script or whatever. And they'll be like, right, we love our new gummies because this is the future. This is what we need to do. Your competitor, they had an amazing script, crazy conversion rates. And all you need to do is just hold your product like this, or have a different person hold it, upload the photo, and it's going to change that. Not only the avatar, but it's also going to change the product, and it's going to come up with a different voice, but still applying that same script and the same hand movements. Now, in the meantime, what I'm going to do is just simply upload multiple different versions of this with all the different avatars, and then we'll see how the final results come out to. As you can see, as simple as it gets, just like that. Generate the video again. Super easy, super simple. And with that being said, I'm going to come back in 5 minutes when this is all done and rendered, and we're going to go over the results all together. So as we can see, we have the final product. So we're going to play the gorilla one. Welcome to MakeUGC. This is how we're actually making these AI avatar videos, where I'm literally changing in real time. I can switch. Looking good along with the singer. Welcome to MakeUGC. This is how. And then also the other singer. Welcome to MakeUGC. This is how I mean, the first one was like a singer, but it's not really. And then the Santa one as well. Let's just have a look. Welcome to MakeUGC. This is how we're actually making these AI avatar videos where I'm literally changing in real time. I can switch from being, again, someone like Santa to a famous singer to a race car driver and change the situation as well. So you can see it literally mimics Santa's body. And then from there, obviously, you can go ahead, create fun ad creatives, all these kind of things. Definitely if you're someone who doesn't want to show your face, let's look at the singer again. You can see how this is way more realistic as well. And holding the microphone and putting it down. I mean, it's a bit odd. You just need to make sure that you have something in your hand if you're going to put a product placement in there. If not, it's going to be difficult to have a product in hand when you're not actually holding it, because then it has to like stick it just like you see here. So that would be a improvement for the next time, of course. So with that being said, if you're interested in using MakeUGC, I would go ahead, click the link in the description, and you can sign up to this for a very, very, very good price, in my opinion. This is, in my opinion, the best software for this exact thing. And really, look, we can go ahead and look at the other one. Welcome to MakeUGC. This is how we're actually making these. This is the guy talking, so in real time, I can switch from being, again, someone like Santa to a famous singer to a race car driver. Yeah, so you can tell this guy, he doesn't look like me at all, but you can tell the surroundings are very normal. This case, he's not wearing anything in his hands, like holding anything. So it looks a lot more natural, looks extremely good. And yeah, just in general, very, very well done. So this is this is the gorilla one. This one looks pretty funny because the gorilla, I can't lie, it doesn't have anything to do with a human, and because it's got realistic features, but it is quite funny. It works pretty well for what it is at right now, and always these things are going to be improving. So yeah, this is a really cool feature, and you got to make sure that you also understand like MakeUGC has a ton of different features. With that being said, I hope this information video was very useful, and I hope to catch you in the next one or on the inside of MakeUGC's platform. See you.